Hello everybody, this is Jacob Dixon, and welcome to my second episode of Fold Along Radio, which is origami through radio. Last week, we learned how to make an origami cup, and I want to thank everybody who joined me last week on my very first episode. This week, we are going to learn how to make an origami heart, and what you're going to need is a squared piece of paper, so I will give you a few seconds to go find one. Okay, do you have your paper? Excellent. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to fold that square piece of paper diagonally, corner to corner, until you have a triangle. Now fold it really tightly because the next step, you're going to tear that piece of paper down the line that you just made. Okay, so I'll give you a couple of seconds to do that. Perfect. So you should have two pieces of triangle paper. You're just going to need one of them. So take the best looking triangle paper you have and make sure the top is facing upwards. Okay. Now, let's fold that triangle in half. Take the bottom left corner and fold it to the bottom right corner. There you go. And now, open it up. Now you see that line that you just made? You're going to fold the right corner up that line and the left corner up that line, up to the top of the triangle. La-da-da-dee, folding. There you go. Okay? So now that you've done that, your triangle should look like a diamond. Now flip the paper over, and you see that flap on the front? We're going to take the flap and fold it all the way down as far as it can go. So I'll do that, and I'll let you do it on your paper. So do. Excellent. So now that you have it folded, you should have two flaps, one on the left and one on the right. Your diamond should look somewhat like a sailboat. Okay, now you're going to take that left flap and you're going to fold it sideways directly onto the crease there. So fold it sideways. Okay, and do the same thing to the right flap. Fold it sideways directly on the crease. Now it's starting to look like a heart, but it's not finished yet. What you need to do now is, you see those four corners on the top? We're going to fold them a little bit inwards. Okay, we're going to round off the corners. So give me a moment to do that for you. Do 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 do, cha 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 cha, do 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 do, da 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 da. Okay, so you have your four corners folded in. Turn it over, and now you have a heart. And this heart is perfect for Valentine's Day, for anniversaries, birthdays, Christmas, or any other holidays you can think of where you want to show your love for that special someone in your life. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's your origami heart. Thank you so much for listening to Fold Along Radio. This is Jacob Dixon, and I'll see you next week. Take it easy, and happy folding.